Hi everyone, this is Lucy with WTI. Looking for some warm, fuzzy slippers to wear this winter? Here they are. These slippers, I usually take my phone calls here and pace back and forth, and I can be out for 30 minutes and it's not a problem. They're perfect for a walk on my porch, back and forth, are so warm and comfortable. They're the perfect slippers to lounge in when you're having your morning coffee or simply enjoying a nice morning on your porch while keeping your feet nice and toasty. When it does get windy, I usually bring the slippers up so they cover my ankles and they can provide the extra warmth on a chilly day. I love that I can indoors as well, and I just want to show you my favorite part are the outer soles. They're skid resistant, which is great for all types of terrain. I love my warm, fuzzy slippers, and that's my point of view.